My name is Brian Johnston, and I'm a maintenance mechanic at Missouri River Treatment Plant for MSD Project Clear.
My name is Sophia Wilson. I'm a maintenance mechanic too, so I have an upgrade in welding.
We do a repair and maintenance to the systems that keep the wastewater treatment plant going.
When we come in every day, we get our orders, our work orders, and then we get assigned to an area every day.
I'll go over the job plan, make sure I have everything I need for the job, gather my tools, any equipment, any parts I need to do, and then I'll go out into the plant and start my maintenance. We work on a lot of pumps. We do a lot of grease and oil changes, clean band screens.
I just love being able to break something all the way down and build it all the way back up.
We go by a schedule that we have in the appropriate intervals for maintenance.
At the end of the day, we come back, complete the work orders in the system, and then we take our shower, wrap up our day, and head home. My favorite part of the day is just coming in, knowing that every day is different, and I get to see something different or learn something different.
I started as an auto mechanic. I have an associate's degree, and I did that for several years, and I really didn't care for it that much.
So I was already working downtown at the MSD building as a janitor in the evenings. So I got to kind of know human resources, talk to everyone, and I would see jobs open up. So I would apply. I applied 3 times before I actually got the job as an attendant.
A friend of mine, his dad worked here. He was one of the safety guys. He had talked about how great of a place it was and how the employees, once they come here, they never leave. And there's a good reason for that.
They care about their employees. Really care about their employees. So that's what really motivates me to stay here and just become one with the team.
Everybody's treated very well. It's easy to go talk to your supervisors. The communication from top to bottom is very clear.
Opportunities are endless here at MSD. From manager to maintenance to electrical, pump station, whatever you want to do, we got a little bit of everything. Basically, my future is in my hands and I can control everything from now.
I'm really glad I found it. The only thing I wished I'd have done it earlier in my life. It really is a great place to work.